ydw i o Green Squirrel ac heddiw dan ni'n mynd i wneud y coron blodau hyfryd. Hello, my name's Rhiann and I'm from Green Squirrel. Today we're going to make these beautiful flower crowns. Okay, fydd angen 2 bag papur, neu papur newydd yn neud y tro hefyd. Os chi'n defnyddio bagiau, chi'n torri'r waelod i ffwrdd ac yna agor nhw fyny fel hyn. Fydd angen siswrn a cordyn hefyd. So what you're going to do then is from the bottom, from the longest side, you're going to start rolling it up. Just roll it up like this. Okay, so now you're going to get some string down a cordon, about 2 meters long. And set there. To 2 metr. You're going to just overlap the bags with a newspaper. Your string is now in half and you're going to tie it around one end of the bag. So chi'n clymu'r llinyn, clymu'r cordyn o amgylch y bag fel hyn. A wedyn, chi'n mynd I mesu'r pen, you're going to measure the head. So pop that in front, around the back. So you want to make sure that it can come on and off, don't do it too small. Edrych wneud yn rhy bach. And then with your second piece of string, I'm just going to put a weight on there. I've got one that I've already cut. You're going to tie that around the other side. So cwmwl arall ar ochr yma, another knot this side. Okay, so now we're going to start wrapping. Okay, you've got 4 pieces of string, and you're going to start wrapping around the bag. So now chi eisiau croesi y llinyn dros, you want to cross the string, so you're making like little X shapes, and this will be perfect then for weaving the plants and the flowers in through these crosses. So remember to cross over if you can. We go in opposite directions. I'm just going to tuck that under there, and then I'll go around this way. Now ni'n mynd I gasglu planhigion a blodau ar gyfer addurno'r coron. We're going to go and find some greenery now and some flowers to decorate the crown. Gallwch chi lawrlwytho app os chi eisiau ffeindio allan beth chi'n casglu. Ac hefyd fydd angen menig a succoteers neu siswrn. You'll need a pair of gloves and some succoteers or a pair of scissors. Let's go! I'm in my community garden today, so I've had permission and I can pick some greenery and flowers here. Choose somewhere where you can go to the park or in your garden, but if you do see something in someone else's garden, remember to ask permission before you pick. Please do wash your hands after you've collected your flowers and you're back at home. Cofiwch golchi dwylo ar ôl casglu y blodau a'r planhigion. Okay, so we've collected some lovely greenery. We've got some ivy and some jasmine, and we've also picked some herbs. So we've got rosemary and lemon balm. You can get mint as well, and it'll make the crown smell really, really beautiful. We've got some fuchsia here and some yarrow and a few other flowers. So yeah, ni'n mynd I dyma be ni wedi casglu. Mae gyda ni ivy a jasmine, a mae gyda ni perlysiau, rosemary, gallwch chi ddefnyddio mintis, mae lemon balm, a mae fuchsia, a yarrow, a chydig o flodau eraill fan hyn. So we're going to start weaving. So you start with the greenery. I'm going to pick some jasmine, and I'm going to try and weave in and out of the string. So the more greenery you put, the more you're hiding your bits and pieces of string. Okay, so fi di dechrau nawr, fi'n rhoi jasmine trwyddo. A y mwyaf o pethau gwyrdd chi'n gallu rhoi ymlaen, y llai cordyn bydd chi'n gallu gweld yn y diwedd. Iawn, so cymherwch eich amser. Dyna ni. Falle na i gael un arall yn blaen. So here's the crown. We've got lots of greenery on it, and we're now ready to do the flowers. Dyma ni wedi wneud y planhigion gwyrdd, a nawr newn ni roi ychydig o perlysiau a blodau. So dyma rosemary, some rosemary. Just tuck it in. Go. Well, I hope you've enjoyed making your flower crown and enjoy wearing it. So once you've finished wearing it, you can use it as a decoration in your house. It'll dry, it'll smell nice if you've used herbs, or you can just use it as a wreath. Dyma ni, y goron, Blodau. Fi'n gobeithio chi wedi mwynhau gwneud e, a bod chi'n mwynhau mynd allan nawr i wisgo fe. Pam chi'n gorffen, gallwch chi ddefnyddio fe fel addurn yn eich tŷ, a gobeithio bydd e'n aroglu'n hyfryd efo'r holl blodau a'r perlysiau chi wedi defnyddio. Hwyl!